password on the candidate login page and enter the CAPTCHA as shown on the screen, and then accept terms of use and privacy policy of the website, and then click on login button to proceed ahead. As soon as you click on login button, you will be shown details of your exam. So here in this demo exam, there is a demo exam has been shown, start date, end date has been shown, number of questions associated with exam has been shown, plus exam duration has also been mentioned. You can click on proceed button where you will be shown name of the exam, your roll number, your name. You need to confirm that it is correct and then click on confirm button. As soon as you click on confirm button, system may ask you permission for the web camera. You need to allow permission associated with web camera. Then online examination instructions will be loaded in front of you. You can read entire instructions associated with online exam and then click on checkbox I have read and understood the instructions, and then click on button I am ready to begin to start your online exam. As soon as you click on that button, online exam will be loaded in front of you. On the right hand top corner, you can see the timer of the online exam. As time is going to get elapsed, this timer will remaining time will get decreased. As soon as time associated with online exam, that is 60 minutes, will get elapsed, your online exam would be automatically marked as complete. On the screen, you will see text associated with question along with its suitable multiple choice answer option. You need to select suitable multiple choice answer option and click on save and next button. You can also click on any of the button available for the question for the navigation. System will save your answer automatically. Irrespective of your clicking on previous or save and next button, system will continuously save your records all the time. You can click and save and you can move to the next question using save and next button, and you can move to the previous question using previous button. There is also option available for the mark for review. If you are not sure about the answer and if you would like to review that answer at later point of time, then you can mark that question. All the attempted questions which are marked for review are also considered when you submit your online exam. Attempted questions will be shown in the green color. Not attempted questions will be shown in the gray color. Attempted and marked for review will be shown in the blue color. Not attempted and marked for review will be shown in the purple color. At any given point of time, you will be monitored by the remote proctor, and your images will be continuously recorded by the system. You are not allowed to speak with someone while attempting the online exam, and you are not allowed to refer to any books, notebooks, or while attempting the online exam. If it is found that you are taking help from someone, or if you are speaking with someone, or you are taking help of any external means like books or notebooks, then it will be considered as an exam malpractice. As soon as you reach to the last question of the online exam, submit test button will be shown. If you click on submit test button, then overall test summary associated with online exam would be shown. Attempted questions and not attempted questions will be shown. If you are not sure or if you are not attempted all the questions, then please do not click on yes button, but you can click on no button and try to attempt all questions in the exam within stipulated time of 60 minutes. And if you are sure that you have attempted all the questions, then only you should click on submit test and click on yes button in order to finish your exam. If you try to move away from the online exam browser, then system will also consider it as a malpractice. So while attempting the online exam, please ensure that you are not opening any other window while attempting the online exam. All the notifications should also be disabled for your laptop or mobile phone. So as soon as you click on yes button, your online exam would be marked as complete.